Trig review for test 2, problems 40 and 41. Problem 40. We have this diagram drawn. They're wanting us to find the length of side AC. We're going to start with the information that we have given about these angles. They're telling me that this angle is 20, this angle is 40. If this angle is 40, then I know that this angle has to be 140. If this angle is 140 degrees, 180 minus 20 minus 140 tells me that this angle is also 20 degrees. Even though this diagram is not drawn to scale, if these two angles are the same, that tells you that this is an isosceles triangle. If this is an isosceles triangle, then that tells me that this side of this triangle is the same as this side of this triangle. So I know that this side is also 400. This side of this triangle is 400. Now I can work with triangle ADC and easily find side X. Sine of 40 degrees equals X over 400. X equals 400 times the sine of 40 degrees. All you have to do is put that in your calculator. 400 times the sine of 40 degrees. X equals 257. Round that to nearest whole number. X equals 257. We were able to work this problem this way because when we did a little geometry, we found that these two angles were the same, and that told us that this was an isosceles triangle. So therefore this side and this side were the same length. Number 41. They're asking me to find side BC. And after I look at this, I cannot seem to find enough information to solve this triangle the way I have all these others. There's no trig function that I can use to help me do this because I know angles, but I don't know a side. If I'm trying to work with triangle ABD, that won't work because that's not a right triangle. So I gotta do a little something tricky here on this one. We're going to start with triangle BCD. We know that the tangent of 43 degrees equals the opposite side, which is X, over CD. So I can say X equals CD times the tangent of 43. We're just going to leave that alone for right now. We're going to go over here and we're going to look at triangle ABC. For triangle ABC, we know that the tangent of 38 degrees equals x over CD plus 100. So x equals tangent of 38 times CD plus 100. I can distribute this tangent of 38, and I can say CD times the tangent of 38 degrees plus 100 times the tangent of 38 degrees. So I have x equals CD times the tangent of 43, and that same x equals CD times the tangent of 38 plus 100 times the tangent of 38. Since that's the case, CD times the tangent of 43 has got to equal CD times the tangent of 38 plus 100 times the tangent of 38. My goal is to use this and try to find CD so I can try to solve this triangle BCD. In order to do that, I have to get both of these terms that have CD on the same side. CD tangent 43 minus CD tangent 38 equals 100 tangent 38. Now I can factor out CD out of both of these. I have CD times the tangent of 43 degrees minus the tangent of 38 degrees equals this 100 tangent of 38. Divide both sides by the tangent of 43 minus the tangent of 38, and I will have found CD. That will help me find x. I've divided this side by tangent of 43 minus tangent of 38. So that's all gone with that. CD equals, you can put this in your calculator. Be sure that you put this denominator in parentheses. I have 100 tangent of 38 divided by, I've got to close parentheses right there, divided by open parentheses, tangent of 43, close parentheses, minus tangent of 38 degrees, close, close, enter. I get 516.6. That is this line segment. 516.6. I am looking for x. I can now work with triangle ABC, and I can say that the tangent of 38 degrees equals x over 616.6. X equals 616.6 times the tangent of 38. round this to the nearest whole number, you get 482.